వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏబిపిఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ బిట్స్ నేను ఇప్పటిదాకా 16 వీడియోస్ని నేను మీకు అందివ్వడం జరిగింది. దానికి సంబంధించిన ప్లేలిస్ట్ లింక్ కూడా కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో నేను మీకు అటాచ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ 40 ఇప్పటిదాకా 16 వీడియో చూడండి. సో ఇది 17th వీడియో అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ 42nd బిట్ చూద్దాం. ఇప్పటిదాకా 41st వీడియో, 41st బిట్స్ ఇంతకు ముందు వీడియో వరకు నేను ఏం చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఈ వీడియోలో 42nd నుంచి మనం చూద్దాం. సో వాట్ వాజ్ ద హిస్టారికల్ బేసిస్ దట్ టెల్స్ అబౌట్ నారాయణ భట్టు హూ అసిస్టెడ్ నన్నయ్య ఇన్ రైటింగ్ మహాభారత? ఆన్సర్ నందమపూడి copper inscription. Next question, who was the court mathematician of King Rajaraja Narendra? Answer Pavuluri Mallanna. Next, which dynasty gave prominence to Jain religion and worked for its propagation in Telugu land? Answer Vemulavada Chalukyulu. Next question, in the temple administration, the system that supervised the activities of Vaishyas, courtesan maids. So answer Sani Munnurvoru, 300 Vaishya system. Next, in which rock edict of Ashoka the definite mention of the Andhras occur? Answer 13th. In which school of art the plants and the flowers, particularly the lotuses, are most admirably represented? Answer Amaravati. 13th answer. Next question, the Kondamudi copper plate grant gives details of Jayavarman. Who was this ruler? So answer A, Brihat Palayana ruler. Next, the Allahabad pillar inscription of Samudragupta mentions about the conflict of the Guptas with one Salakayana ruler of Vengi. Who was that ruler? Answer Hastivarman. Next question, which early Telugu rulers took prominent part in the colonization abroad in Indochina and Malaysia? Answer the Salankayanas. Next, who discovered the Nagarjuna Hill, a prominent Buddhist site? Answer A.R. Saraswati. Next, what is the height of the Buddhist stupa built with the large measurement bricks at Bhattiprolu? Answer 132 feet. 132 feet. Next question, 53rd question చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. Places of worship built by Buddhists are called? Answer Chitya Shalalu or Chaitya Grihalu. Next, the 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34 numbered caves at Ellora belong to which religion? Answer Jaina religion. Next, the credit for construction of not only temples but also the carving styles of sculpture goes to which of the below mentioned dynasties? Answer Pallava. Next, which of the following is the modern town with the ancient name of Birudhanka Prolu? Answer Bikkavolu. Next, the first paintings found in India belong to which period? Answer Shatavahana dynasty period. Next, in which of the following places the rock portrait of Vidyaranya is found in temple Mandapa? Answer Hampi. Next, which of the below mentioned Bauddha stupas in south is larger and more artistic than those located in the North India at Sanchi and Bharhut? Answer Amaravati. Next, in which place coins of Satavahana founded ruler Simukha were found in large number? Answer Kotilingala. Next, which of the below mentioned insignia is mostly found on the Satavahana coins? So answer Nauka, ship anamata. Next, the first railway line in Andhra Pradesh was opened on September 15th, 1862 between these two places. Answer Puttur to Renigunta. Next, the The Karnool Kadapa Canal was completed in the year 1871. Next, which commercial crop had enormous importance in Guntur region under the British rule? Answer, tobacco. Which place of Andhra Pradesh served as the chief trading center to many parts of the world before 19th century? Answer, Machilipatnam. Next, what was the opinion expressed on the killing of Alluri Sitaramaraju by British in Andhra Patrika of 8th May 1924? Answer, a great national hero. Next, 67th, what was Motarfa? A tax collected on loom. Loom మీద కలెక్ట్ చేసే పన్నుని ట్యాక్స్ని మనం మోటార్ఫా అని పిలుస్తాం. Next, who was the English officer who spoke Telugu fluently? Answer, Thomas Munro. 69th question. The Prarthana Samaj in Rajahmundry in 1878 was started by Vireselingam under the influence of Mannava Buchayya Pantulu. Next question. Who was the associate of Vireselingam who strengthened him in becoming an anustantic Brahmo, giving up the scared thread? So answer, Desi Raju Pedabapaya. Next, the important center of the Andhra Brahmo Samaj was Rajahmundry under the leadership of Vireselingam, Pitapuram under the leadership of Raja Surya Rao, Kakinada under the leadership of Venkataratnam. All the given answers are correct. So all are correct. Next question. What was the importance of Brahmo Dharma Gitanjali? Next, the answer, a work of a number of devotional poems which were recited in the Samaj prayers. Next question. What was the effect of Brahma movement in Andhra Pradesh? So it contributed to the growth of monotheistic ideas, and socially speaking it was the first to start constructive work for ameliorating the conditions of depressed classes. Next, what was the name of the first Telugu journal appeared first after 1835? Answer, Satyaduta is the right answer. Next question. To carry the message of social reform, Vireselingam started his own journal in 1874. What was its name? Answer, Vivekavardhini is the right answer. Next question. Who was the first Telugu journalist in South India to suffer imprisonment during the freedom struggle on charges of treason? So దీనికి right answer, Gadicherla Hari Sarvottam Rao. Next question. When was the Bharati, a literary and cultural magazine, founded? Answer, 1924. Who was the author of the book Hita Suchini? So answer, Swamineni Muddu Narasimham. Next, the magnum opus Sutta Puranam was authored by? Answer, Tripuraneni Ramaswamy. Next question. Who was the leader in Andhra actively associated with the Justice Party? Answer, Tripuraneni Ramaswamy, Kattamanchi Ramalingareddy, Raghupati Venkataratnam Naidu. All are correct is the right answer. Next question. Who wrote the novel Malapalli? So answer, Unnava Lakshmi Narayana. Next question. In which year the first Andhra Panchama Mahasabha was organized at Vijayawada? Answer, 1917. Next question. Where was the fort Saint David built in 1690? So answer, Devanam Patnam near Kadalur. Thank you. Jai Hind.